Welcome back to Doobrey's Day. Today on Doobrey's Day is part 2 of the rehoming of the chickens. It's in the morning. We've just prepared the new hutch, or it's actually a shed that we converted last week, and put the bedding down, so that's all ready to go. We've loaded up all of the boxes. They're ready to go, and our boots, we don't know if it's going to be muddy or not. And Mrs. Doobs and I are going to go off to the chicken rehoming places. Fresh start for hens. Let's go! Whee! So, this is the second part of our video. This is the going to retrieve the chickens. We're just finishing preparing their new hutch, new run. Mrs. Doobs has put all of the wonderful hay and bedding and stuff into.
It's not hay.
It's not hay.
It's not hay. It's got pine oil in it as well, which is antifungal, which is nice.
Anyway, the bedding, that's all been put in there. So that's going to be nice for them. And we're going to go off shortly and go and meet the Fresh Start Hens people. So we're here at Fresh Start for Hens. Behind me, this is where all of the chickens are going to be unloaded to. Vicky will be here soon with all of the birds on the trucks. We'll unload them. They get about an hour and a half just to check all of the birds over. Then people will start arriving and people can take them away. If I let you take the photographs, I'll do the little video and then we can send them to the ladies.
Take some pictures for Donna.
Right. Wow, look at all them. A lot of ladies.
Got any spare gloves? I don't know where I've put my gloves. I don't know. Unless I've stolen yours, I don't think it's there.
How many is in there?
360.
360, wow. That's a lot of chicks. Hey. 360 chickens. What were the conditions like when you first got them?
They're not too bad actually.
Yeah.
Some of them, we found some that need a little bit of extra.
Do you separate them off as you take them out, or do you just get them out first?
We get them all out,
yeah.
And then the ones that we do see, there was a couple with like prolapses and things like that, which is standard with
yeah.
egg-laying hens, and they all get taken to the vet. We take everything from the barn.
Right.
We don't leave any behind at all.
Oh, that's lovely. That's
so
really
yeah,
lovely.
we have a poorly area, and that's where they go.
Is that what you do now? So you empty all of the chickens now into an area for food and water.
Yeah.
And then what, you separate or look for ill chickens?
Yeah. So I'll look after the ones that are either poorly or super stressed.
Yeah.
And we'll put them somewhere quiet, just into a dog crate or something like that.
And then do you keep them here and look after them, or take them to the vets, and then once they're healthy, release them again to other families?
Yeah, I mean, or they just send to
or
my
you keep
flock.
them.
Sometimes they'll just stay with me. It just depends.
Just depends.
Yeah, it depends on how many there are.
And how often do you do this?
This is our second one this year.
Yeah.
And then the next one is in August.
Wow, August. So
it's a huge one in August.
And if people are interested, they go to
straight through to
the website, which I've got on the YouTube channel.
Yeah.
They can contact yourselves,
absolutely,
register, pay their dues, and then come and pick up some chickens.
Yeah, and they'll hear from us.
Brilliant. Thank you very much.
You're more than welcome.
Oh, look at this one, bless. Look at her. Oh, Bagsy, I have her.
Oh, you've got a new daddy.
She's very pretty.
Yeah, oh look, she spoke to you.
She's a very pretty little hen. Oh, yeah. Do they? So that's the chickens unpacked. They're getting their food and water.
Yep.
Next activity is for people to turn up and rehome these beautiful ladies.
Well, we're going to spend the next couple of hours just keeping an eye on them. They're in actually quite a good condition, and the ladies were saying that the farm where they get them from is a really supportive farm, and they takes really good care of the birds, which is good to know. So yeah, we're going to keep an eye on them and just check them over and check for shock.
Perfect.
Okay, we're just setting up for our rehome day, and every rehomer who comes to collect their girls will receive a little thank you card from us. And inside is a fact sheet on the background to the girls and what needs to happen, you know, their care for the next couple of weeks.
Yeah.
And obviously any if they've got any problems, they can get in touch with myself or Donna.
Oh, that's lovely.
So,
that's lovely. So people will be arriving in about an hour and a half, something like that?
Hour. We're rehoming today. Normally we go from 12:30 till 4, so we have a nice long period of time. And some people turn up at 12:30, and then other people turn up at 4 o'clock.
Oh really? So you're here for
and then you suddenly panic, think, no, I've got to suddenly, you know, increase my flock by about 30. So, but no, that's normally what happens. So when they turn up, I don't like to have people come in the garden.
Yeah.
Purely because, they do get a bit stressed out, and so.
I can imagine as well. It's not about picking a bird, is it here?
They all need a home.
Yeah, exactly.
And the little ginger ninjas, so they all look the same, don't they? Really. So they're all deserving of a wonderful retirement home.
They are. And do people write to you after, you know, a couple of weeks saying it's, you know, they're doing really well and?
Yeah. I mean, we promote it through the Watton Norfolk Fresh Start for Hens Facebook page.
Yes.
And they'll send us pictures of their girls in the gardens and, you know, sitting in the living room with them. I mean, all sorts of things.
So how did you get into this? How did you find out, you know, that you wanted to do the rehoming for the hens?
I saw, I had hens myself, and I'm a big fan for any rescued animal at all. So I'm actually rehoming all the people who applied for hens through PAC. They're rehoming from here this afternoon.
Oh wow, that's really good. That's really good.
It's keeping it easier for the hens. Yeah, and I mean we try to do as a comprehensive home check as we can.
Yeah.
I think people do query our methods, as in wanting to see evidence of where the girls are going to live. But if you want to go and rehome a cat or a dog, you are subject to a home check.
Absolutely, yeah.
But we can't physically, because we are all volunteers, we can't physically go and home check for 6,000 hens.
No.
It's just not possible. So the way that we've learned over time is to ask people to send in pictures of their coops.
And that's what we did, wasn't it? Yeah,
Exactly. And you know, that works really well. And I think actually if someone is going to take the time to go and take a picture,
they're serious, aren't they?
Send it in to all of that, they've got to be decent people.
Yeah, I think you're right.
That's what we rely on.
That's really good.
So,
speak.
These are just little egg crates. So if you're looking for something a bit different to store your eggs in that the girls have laid for you, you can either have a 10 little egg crate or a 6. Okay. Fresh start for hens.
Absolutely.
When the rehomers turn up. We've actually had some cards. I worked with a local artist.
Right.
And
oh my god.
This is actually Donna's hen. This is Princess.
I remember her.
This is Princess. She came home in the back of our van.
So now the girls are going to their new homes. Over here is where the people who are going to rehome the chickens are arriving. They have to sign in, pay the money which goes to the charity, and then randomly from all of these ladies behind us, the number of chickens that you want to take are picked up and they're popped into the boxes, and then off they go to the new homes.
Hi there.
Hello.
So, how many chickens are you taking today?
I have 3 today.
3 today. Do you have any chickens at the moment?
I've got 3 at home, yeah.
And have you already got names picked for your new chickens?
Not till I see them, no.
How did you find out about the charity?
Well, funnily enough, I had 2 of mine die a couple of weeks ago, and just out of the blue, a friend of mine said, "Oh, pack to rehoming some more." So it's got to be, hasn't it?
Why not?
Yeah.
Well, good luck, and thank you for giving some girls a nice retirement home.
Thank you.
That's 5 in that one.
How many, Mum?
5.
And then this one.
5. You need to make sure they don't fall out there. 1. 2. In you go, little one.
3.
Princess.
4.
I put her in for 5.
Yep. 4.
Good girl. Have we got any tape?
We're just catching chickens that are trying to escape, like that one. We had quite a lot of this left over from the last one, didn't we?
We had loads because we
Yeah, I don't know where
created some, didn't we?
we did. How's it going?
Well, just put 12 away.
We're getting there. Oh, more people are here. There's a myriad of boxes, cat boxes, dog crates, lawnmower boxes, just a random assortment of things. As long as the box is secure and it's got air holes in it, it'll hold chickens.
Yeah, can you send them so I can put them in the videos?
I've got a lovely one.
No, we're okay, thank you. Thanks.
Three hens off home. Take care.
See you later.
Hello there.
Hi.
What's your name?
Helen Bedford.
Hi Helen, nice to meet you. How many chickens are you taking today?
We're taking 6.
6. Do you have any chickens at the moment?
We do.
Is it a large number?
We have 24, I believe.
Oh wow, that's fantastic. How did you find out about the charity?
Actually on Facebook.
Oh really?
Yep.
Oh brilliant. Well, we're going to put a link in that in the bottom of the video as well. Thank you ever so much. Have you got names? Do you give them names?
We do. We haven't got any names yet though.
Do you have a favourite chicken?
My son does, yes.
And what's the favourite chicken called?
It's called Flopsy.
Flopsy the chicken. Brilliant. Thanks Helen.
No worries.
There you go. Some more baby girls going off to their new homes. So, this is Paul.
Oh goodness.
Hello.
Hi.
And what have you been doing, Paul?
Well, the idea today was just to turn up to take one photo because I'm doing a rescued hens calendar, which is helping to raise money for Fresh Start for Hens. So
we're going to pop some details underneath the video as well.
So I thought I'd rock up, take one picture. I've been here a while now.
I think you've been here since
Helped
about 10 o'clock
unload.
this morning, yeah.
Had a few cuddles. It's actually really quite emotional when especially when they all arrived in the van, 350 of them. So.
Any hens that are poorly or look like they're going into a little bit of shock, they're separated and they're kept an eye on and they're monitored. We've got one little hen down here who is just a bit pale at the moment, and we're just keeping an eye on her. So she's having some food and some water, and she'll rally round, but we're just going to see what's going on with her. These chickens that are poorly, if they're going to shock on the day, they don't go to a rehomer. They'll be kept back and looked after, and then if they do recover, then they'll be rehomed.
Coming up. Who's been dust bathing?
Yeah, I thought you might have been. Yes, you. You're wet and gunky, aren't you? I know. Yeah, is that right? Yeah. Gonna go meet your new mum and dad? Yeah, yeah.
Donna is fluent in Chickenese. We'll subtitle that conversation for the video.
Yeah. See? You want to have your say?
So, Hen, how's adoption day been for you?
Say it again. That
Really?
bad? Hmm? Yeah? And your new mum and dad? What do you think to them? I don't know. No.
Hi guys, so it's now 3 o'clock. Most of the chickens are gone. There was 360 to start with. There's probably
70.
Let's count them.
Go on then.
Yeah.
Let's count them.
How many do you think's there?
62.
50, 60,
62.
62.
Yeah. How many?
You've counted, have you?
No, that's just
That's our guess.
a guesstimate.
How many, Vicky, do you think's left?
I think 65.
65.
Well,
Give or take.
68. That might not be right.
So we're going to pick up our 10 in a bit. Another gentleman's going to come back and pick up his final 8. So there'll be obviously 18 gone from that set, and then another hour and a half. They should all be gone. All have homes. Woo.
Yay! Adopt, don't shop.
Adopt, don't shop.
How many? 10, please.
Oh, good girl.
Thank you very much.
Oh dear.
So, how's it been today?
It's been brilliant.
Yeah.
It's been really good. Been busy.
Yeah, it has,
It's been
isn't it?
good. It's nice. So.
That's great.
See, no, it's gone all right as well. Sold a few bits. It's really
Well,
good.
Everything appears to have gone then.
No, we packed some away because of the rain. No, not quite that good.
That's good. We sold a few bits as well.
Yeah.
That's good.
Fantastic. Thank you ever so much. Do we have to take an envelope as well?
Yes.
What's in the envelope?
A thank you card.
Oh,
All handmade.
lovely. Right.
And it just gives you a few little
Details of the.
Okay, I'll get some straw then. Is that enough?
Yeah, what are you doing? 5 in each?
Yes, please.
There you go, there's Mabel.
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 Oh, you need to remember these.
Hen solo.
Hen Solo.
Can we just call him her Solo?
Yeah.
Solo.
Chewy.
Chewy.
Oh, she's gorgeous.
Fluffy.
Fluffy.
Look at you, look.
Hello.
Come on, Fluffy. It's Fluffy.
There's one more in there.
Fatso, look at her crop.
Fatso.
Yeah.
Look at her breasts. Which heads, girls?
Heads, tails.
Knees and toes.
That's not clicked.
Hang on, is there a hen's tail in the way?
Hang on, where does it go? That one. Where does it go? That's all. We'll put that on the bottom. Put that one on top. If I get,
Oh, she wants to
She
come
wants to
home
go.
with you.
get the hand under. Okay, put it down. We'll put the other one on top, and then we can carry them both. And we'll take 27 in here, please.
I'm afraid we won't fit 27 in there, sir.
Oh. Sam, this is on top of that one, right?
Yeah, but I don't want to then go, hi! Escape. I'll put my foot on it.
2.
Ready?
Oh, she's clucky.
She can be Mother Clucker.
They're going to have an exceedingly good life, aren't they?
You are yoking. I mean, joking.
Excellent. Thank you.
All done.
You did need that bit.
There you go.
did you?
That one. Hang on, that's right. There you go.
Is it in?
Yeah. Cheeks. These are our lovely 10 ladies. 11 with my missus. See what I did then?
What, your birds?
The birds.
On the car.
We'll pop them in the car and we'll take them home to their new house. Sit like that, and we'll sit one on top. Got the ladies home. Here they all are. Hello ladies. This is your new home. Mrs. Doobs just sorting out their food and water, which I'll give them in a moment. In a second, yeah. There'll be a few pecking of each other's style as they sort out their pecking order, as they call it. Hello. Hi. So that's our ladies' home after an epic day. It's about 4 o'clock, so it's been a long day. I want to thank everybody's help today. You know, we assisted everybody, and thank everybody else for helping us. We saw our friend Julian who lent us the crates. Thank you, Julian. Thanks ever so much for that. And we will do another video of these. Where's Mrs. Doobs gone? We'll do another video of the chickens in a few weeks once they have grown their feathers back and see how healthy they look. But thank you so much for watching Doobrey's Day. See you next time. Bye.